Greetings everyone. Hope you all are doing well. So this is the tutorial for our first chapter, Be Prepared, from our Gulmohar textbook that we have already covered in our live classes. So the name of the story is Be Prepared and it is written by Ruskin Bond, the great author. In the story Be Prepared, Ruskin Bond has shared one of his life incident when he was a young boy, a schoolboy. He is the main character in the story and himself is the narrator. Narrator means the one who narrates the story, the one who tells the story. So in this story Be Prepared, Ruskin Bond himself is the narrator. In this story, he has described one of his life incident as a scout boy. So the characters of the story are Ruskin Bond, Mr. Oliver the Scoutmaster, Scout Boys, Village Folk, folk means people, village people, and a bear. The motto of the Boy Scouts was Be Prepared. The story name is Be Prepared and the motto of the Boy Scouts was Be Prepared, means always ready to do the duty. कभी भी कोई भी काम आ जाए हमेशा ready रहना. But there is a problem with Mr. Bond, that Ruskin Bond. He was never prepared for anything. वो कभी भी किसी चीज़ के लिए तैयार नहीं होते थे. Be it an exam or journey. So he always kept on thinking how he would survive in the scout camp. There was a rumor that Bond can cook well, but somehow he manages to provide delicious dishes with a little imagination, as he has spent most of his time in a tuck shop where he kept on giving suggestions to the owner of tuck shop, the Chimpu, to make more and better samosas, jalebis, tikkis and pakoras. So with this qualification he has earned a badge. Mr. Oliver the Scoutmaster, he is having 20 scout boys in the troop. So he took them to during summer break, he took them to a camping expedition to a mountain few miles outside the Shimla. At the evening, everyone was put to the work to prepare the meal. Some boys were put to skin onions, some were pounding masalas, and some were doing peeling potatoes. So everyone was doing some different work, as you can see in the picture. After everything was done, the ingredients were ready. Mr. Bond came and he put all the ingredients in a big dekchi. Dekchi means big, बड़ी सी कढ़ाई. उसमें सारा सामान डालता है. He added some ghee and some net leaves and cooked for half an hour. But there was something lacking in the dish, so he ordered them to put some more salt, a bottle of tomato sauce, and finally the dish was ready. It was a very tasty dish, very delicious dish, and everyone has named it as Bond Bhujia because it was prepared by Ruskin Bond. Bhujia means everything mixed, सब कुछ mix करके जो सामान बनाया. As it was prepared by Bond, तो इसका नाम Bond Bhujia रखा गया. Later, the next morning, Mr. Oliver decided that he is going to teach tracking to the scout boys. So Mr. Oliver started before half an hour and he asked the other boys to follow the trail. He has taken broken twigs, chestnut and pine cones for leaving a trail. Everyone was following them, but after a few minutes, what happened? All the boys got distracted by a pool of clear water and they started enjoying in that water. And when they felt hungry, everyone decided that they will be returning to the campsite. And after returning to the campsite, they have prepared once again the Bond Bhujia, but this time they had added different ingredients, variations. Mr. Oliver kept on waiting for them, for the scout boys, and after waiting for a couple of hours, he decided that he should now return back to the campsite. But on the way, he lost his way. So one of the village folk has helped him to reach the campsite. When Mr. Oliver reached the campsite, he got very angry with each of the Boy Scouts and taken away the badges. उन सभी बच्चों से badges ले लिए और even he has taken away the kukri badge of Ruskin Bond. Mr. Oliver asked the Bond to prepare omelette for him Then Bond refused that he could not prepare omelette as it is against the scout rule. When then Mr. Bond provided him the badges, and then he prepared omelette, which was a great dish. Mr. Oliver liked the dish very much, and Bond garnished it with dandelion leaves and a green chili, which was liked by Mr. Oliver, the scoutmaster. Next morning, they had to put off their training because one of the bear from the forest had entered into the camp and he had created havoc there. सब कुछ खराब कर देता है टेंट में जाकर. And then the bear entered into Oliver's tent, and he came out wearing his dressing gown, which was a comical sight. Comical means funny, मजाकिया. जब सबने बेयर को ड्रेसिंग गाउन पहने देखा मिस्टर ओलिवर का, द स्काउट बॉय स्टार्टेड लाफिंग एंड दे थॉट कि बेयर को ही ले जाने दिया जाए ये गाउन. So this was a story written by Ruskin Bond. So here are the few key points. Ruskin Bond is the main character. Rumor about Bond that he is a good cook as he had spent good time in the tuck shop. Mr. Oliver and 20 scout boys went on expedition to a mountain outside Shimla. They set up their camp there. Scout boys were put to different tasks like skinning onions, peeling potatoes, pounding masalas. Then Ruskin Bond prepared the dish and he named it as Bond Bhujia. With this dish, he had earned his cookery badge. Mr. Oliver took them to teach tracking, leaving trails, scout boys to follow that trail, and scout boys have to follow the trail, but they were distracted by the pool of clear water. Distraction means bhatak jana. Scout boys returned to the campsite, prepared Bond Bhujia with variations. Mr. Oliver did not return because he was waiting for them at the far end of the forest. But after waiting for a couple of hours, he decided that he should now move back to the campsite with the help of village folk as he got lost. वो खो गए थे और अपना रास्ता भटक गए थे. Mr. Oliver got angry when he reached the campsite and he asked the boys to return their badges. When Mr. Oliver was feeling hungry, he asked Bond, because Bond is the only cook there, he asked Bond to prepare an omelette. Bond denied, refused to cook without the badge as it is against the scout rules. Now they need to break the camp early because a bear entered and created havoc in the camp. And then bear entered into Mr. Oliver's tent, and when he came out, he was wearing Mr. Oliver's dressing gown, which gave a comical sight to everyone, which was a funny sight for everyone. Now there are few short answer questions. Who was Mr. Oliver? Mr. Oliver was a scoutmaster. Why did Mr. Oliver take the scout boys to a mountain? Because he wanted to teach them tracking. How many scout boys were there in the troop? There were total 20 scout boys in the troop. Who owned the tuck shop? Chimpu owned the tuck shop. Chimpu is the owner of the tuck shop. Who earned the cookery badge? Ruskin Bond, when he prepared the dishes. What was the motto of scout boys? Motto क्या था scout boys का? Be prepared, be ready every time. What did Bond prepare for evening meal? Bond Bhujia. What did Mr. Oliver do when he got angry? He had taken away the badges. What did the scout boys distracted with? किस चीज़ को देखकर भटक गए थे? They were distracted by a pool of clear water. Who helped Mr. Oliver to find his way back to the campsite? किसने help करी थी जब Mr. Oliver रास्ता भटक गए थे जंगल में? Village folk, village people. Did Bond cook omelette for Mr. Oliver without his badge? No, he did not cook without the badge. What did Bond prepare for Mr. Oliver's dinner? An omelette and garnish it with dandelion leaves and a green chili. As the question number 13 says, what did Bond garnish the omelette with? Dandelion leaves and a green chili. What did the bear take from Mr. Oliver's tent? Mr. Oliver's dressing gown. He was wearing Mr. Oliver's dressing gown. So that's all for this chapter.